Everybody thinks I'm too rich to answer the phones or something, but he's selling the C8 Z06 now. He's buying a fucking.
You should have pulled up.
But he could have just came to me from the get-go, and he wouldn't even have a problem. Think about that. If you go back to our vlogs, I think maybe like 10 or 12 weeks ago, maybe a little bit more, my boy sold his GT3 992 RubyStar PTS color, fully jammed, every carbon option. He sold it to get a C8 Z06. He was raving about it, but guess what? He's selling the C8 Z06 now. And guess what he's buying? He's buying a fucking 992 GT3 again. Porsche, Corvette, back to Porsche, baby. My boy's gonna come see you guys soon. He just finished work right now. So he told the dealer, he goes, okay, I'm not gonna give it to you guys, I'm giving it to Faraz. They said, have Faraz call us. Okay, so let me know when you're gonna be there and he'll come see you there. Right. My boy's getting rid of that C8. So I hit up my other boys at Faraz. I said, yo, my guy's getting rid of a C8, you wanna take it? They said, yeah, no problem, we'll take it for inventory. So they'll take it for inventory, they'll sell it. Fully jammed Corvette C8 Z06 will be for sale over there, and stay tuned for that new. A lot of people are, when they ask like, who is that? I said, Carmen. They're like, oh my God, Carmen, you answer the phones?
Oh yeah, I was surprised when I answered.
Everybody thinks I'm too rich to answer the phones or something, buddy. How do you think this business makes money? By answering the phones.
There's a light on for the front left and the rear right. So see if there's any leaks.
Nah, you see what I mean? You shouldn't have pulled up. You should have pulled up. You already know what we did. All four at your door. PTMS, Premier Tire Mobile Service, VIP. Who's that? Look at that. We got two of them. One day, two yellow ones. What?
Yo, Robert sold the C8 Z06.
You?
No? I was gonna buy it. You heard me? I was gonna buy it, man. I was like, oh, should I just buy it just to fucking have it as a fucking whip? is the Aventador S. I love these cars. Definitely one of my dream cars. One day I will have one. But right now we're acquiring real estate, baby. This one here, we did some Forgiato wheels on it a couple years back. It's got new vehicle owner, same wheels. We're gonna do a refresh on the wheels. We're gonna order some inner and outer barrels for the 3-piece wheels. We're gonna take them apart, refresh everything. If you want your 3-piece wheels looking brand new again, give us a shout. We do offer this service. Let's go, baby. We replace all the hardware, the inners, the outers. If you want the faces refinished, you want to change the color out, we do all of that. Aventadors, regular Japanese wheels as well, we get it done. That was my guy, Art in Motion right there, passing by and honking the horn. Like this all day long. Yeah. Like, look, imagine all these people that live there facing. Not only that, and then you got all the kids with the Honda Civics, all the way down Highway 7. Yeah.
Yo, it was a Civic.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was.
Shop reach out to me saying, yo, I installed these tires on a Lamborghini Urus and the check engine lights and the tranny lights on now. This is the thing, if you don't do these Urus vehicles, like, don't do them and start putting Aston Martin and BMW tires on these things, because the reality is if you do that, you're gonna get a check engine light. It's weird, but that's what it is on that vehicle. So then the end user, I guess, reached out to another guy who also reached out to me to fix his problem. And I told him exactly what he already did. I said, oh, that's the guy that put the Aston Martin tires on the Lambo, now he's got the check engine light and he's panicking. And lo and behold, this is the guy, same thing. Basically, he's going to everybody else to solve the problem, but he could have just came to me from the get-go and he wouldn't even have the problem. Think about that. All good, man. You guys want your roofs done? It's Skyluxe or nothing, buddy. I'm re-clearing it. I did it like 6 years ago. Yeah, I know. It's high volume here too, high traffic. So, storage set. We'll get you in right away. You don't want new wheels on that thing? I'll make a deal for you right now. I got in stock option. Yeah. Let's see what we got.
I already paid for the summer.
It's okay, don't worry about that. If I have something here and you like it, I'll work a crazy deal for you.
Yeah, sir.
Done.
Silver.
Silver, right?
Silver.
Yo, you guys see that? 5 minutes, done deal, baby. You want it done right? Give me a shout.
build this business to this point, even since that, because like as he typically don't take off the phones, that's why he have us here as sales representatives.
I don't know where you were driving with this.